Hey guys, Jim here with the Twin Home Experts. We get questioned all the time. Hey twins, how do I remove mold and mildew from my shower grout? Well, we've seen so many videos and we've seen so many customers try to use what's been recommended online, and that's products like hydrogen peroxide, food grade, baking soda, scrubs, toothbrush, bleach. Folks, none of that works. Let me show you the right way on how to clean and remove the compromised grout. All right, so you can see here, folks, this has been going on for a long time. This has been treated with everything from baking soda to hydrogen peroxide. All right, so here's the before. All right, so first things first, always safety. Always recommend wearing some safety glasses along some gloves. You never know, as you're cleaning this, grout could chip up and affect your eye. What we want to do, since the grout hasn't really been chipped or there's holes or any gaps, the great thing is that we're just going to basically skim coat and get rid of all the black and get down to less than 1/8 of an inch of grout. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what that looks like now. So what you want to do is you want to take your blade here, and you just want to completely do a very light skim coat across the top of it. All right, so before getting into the tools, you're definitely going to need some dry down equipment. There's not a lot of videos out there that show to this extent, but if you really want to extract all the moisture prior to removing and treating and sealing your tile and grout, we highly recommend at least a 24 to 48 hour dry down with a dehumidifier and an air mover. You want the air mover to push the moisture out from the porous materials, and then you have the dehumidifier that's going to extract all of the moisture out. Yeah, you can towel dry it and you can wait for a day or two to do the application, but this here is really going to get all the moisture completely out. As you want to get the drain discharge hose directly into the drain. You don't want the water that you're extracting onto the stone that you're going to be cleaning and sealing. Next and final step is sealer. You want to make sure you get a good sealer because that's what's going to prevent all of the debris from coming back. Okay, we recommend the 511 impregnator. It's a great sealer, and a lot of your pro tile guys absolutely love this. So here's the next step. All right, so you want to get a grout sealer roller applicator like this. It's great because you're able to go and hit the specific grout lines like this. Okay. So you want to take as much sealer as possible in those areas. And if you're actually doing the big area, I recommend just using a nice sponge like this. And I'm going to show you what that looks like here in just a moment. Okay, so now that I've applied the impregnator on the sponge, you just want to simply take it and rub it really evenly and add a little pressure to the tile. You really want to get it into the grout lines because that's, folks, that's where the real porous areas are. So with the sealer, you really can't go wrong with putting extra on there. Another applicator would be a paint roller. So that's another way of applying it. All right, so yeah, you want to get real deep into the grout lines. Okay, and where the wall meets the floor, again, use that that applicator like this. Okay, really gets in there and creates a nice coating along that grout. All right, guys, so once you've applied it to all the affected areas, you want to allow, I would say 24 to 48 hours would be the best. A lot of people, they'll grout or they'll apply a sealer and then they'll use the shower the same day or a few hours after that. It's just not enough cure time. You want that sealer to go way deep into the grout structural material and really seal it. And I think that 24 to 48 hours is the magic time. All right, folks. Hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching.